Polycarbonate. Imported. Perfect goggles for kids, comfortable, easy to put on goggles that won't get caught in hair. Ideal for ages 4 to 12. Clear vision, provides cushion and comfort while creating a watertight fit for hours of splashing fun. Floating material. Don't panic if you drop them because the buoyancy prevents goggles from getting lost on the bottom of the pool. Durable, polycarbonate lenses, impact resistant while offering UV protection and anti-fogging. Wont pull hair, soft, split neoprene strap prevents hair from snagging. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the smaller kiddos. Our 4-year-old has a hard time with goggles, getting them on, keeping them on, etc. He put these on and loves them so much that he ever wears them to play in the bathtub. I hadn't seen this style before I came across these and I wish I would have known about them sooner. I also love how easy and quickly they can be adjusted. If you do have a kid with a larger head, note that these do run a bit on the smaller size. He is able to shove his head in them, mostly so brother can't have them all the time, and they leave some red rings where they were. However, those were quick to disappear, so as long as the person you are buying for has an average or small child's head, these are a treasure.